Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need access to both your Google Play account and your EA account. Once done, update Google Play games and the EA game to the latest version so linking works smoothly. Make sure you are signed into the correct Google Play profile on your device. Next, open the EA game and look for the account, settings, or profile icon. Tap that to start the linking flow. This initial step tells the game which accounts to connect. Now you proceed through the middle steps. In the game, go to Settings, then Account or Connections, and choose Link Google Play or Google. When the Google sign-in prompt appears, pick the email you confirmed earlier and grant the requested permissions. This authorizes data sharing. If the game asks for an EA account sign-in, enter your EA email and password to finalize identity mapping. Keep an eye on confirmation messages. They indicate the in-game profile and EA account are being tied together. Finish by verifying the connection. Check in-game account settings and log into your EA account on the web to view connected apps or connections. You should see Google Play listed. If you don't, try clearing the game's cache, updating both apps, and repeating the link flow, or sign in via a browser and attempt linking there. If errors persist, gather your EA ID, device model, error messages, and screenshots. Then contact EA support so they can resolve mismatched account ID or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.